In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click-to-call button in Elementor, step by step. A click-to-call button lets visitors start a phone call with a single tap, which is especially helpful on mobile. We'll build it inside Elementor using the Social Icons widget, so you don't need any code. Let's walk through it together. First, log into your WordPress dashboard so you can access your site's pages. Once you're in, open the Pages section. This is where all of your existing pages live. Choose the page where you want the call button to appear. Your contact page is a great choice, and open it with Edit with Elementor. That will load the visual editor where we'll do all the work. Inside Elementor, look at the left panel and make sure you're on the Widgets tab. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Social Icons. You'll see the Social Icons widget appear. Drag and drop it right onto your page where you want the call button to sit. You can always move it later, so don't worry about perfect placement yet. With the widget selected, you'll see its settings. Click Add Item to create a new icon just for calling. Then click Icon Library. To make sure you can find the right graphics, switch to All Icons and use the search field to look for Phone. Pick a phone-style icon that matches your design, then click Insert to add it to your widget. Now set what happens when someone taps the icon. In the link field for this new item, enter a telephone link. Type tel followed by your full phone number with country code and avoid spaces or extra characters. For example, use the format tel, country code, number. This tells phones and some desktops to start a call immediately when the icon is tapped. At this point, you've got a working click-to-call button. If you'd like, you can refine how it looks in the same settings. Adjust the size so it feels tappable on mobile, choose colors that align with your brand and offer good contrast, and tweak alignment so it fits naturally within your layout. These visual tweaks don't change the steps, they just help your button stand out and remain accessible. When you're happy with everything, click Publish to push the change live. If the page was already live before, you may see Update instead, which serves the same purpose. That's it. Your visitors can now tap the icon to call you instantly. As a quick tip, preview the page on a phone or using your browser's mobile view to confirm the number is correct and the icon is easy to tap.